Hello and welcome to All Things Lamsopho. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of the Basotho Nation. And if you are a new subscriber, please join and be a part of the Basotho Nation. And briefly, what this channel is about, it's about my personal journey where I am also learning to improve myself from the inside outside. So if you want to be a part of this journey and also learn a thing or two as we are growing together, you can join in on the part of external improvement. I will share with you how I make my clothes. I will share with you a few things that I've been learning when it comes to makeup. And in terms of the internal part of the channel, I'm going to be sharing things that are related to mental, emotional, and a bit of spiritual wellness. So in today's tutorial, you see I have one eyebrow already done, so I'm looking funny and crazy. So today I want to show you how I achieve my eyebrow looks, if that is what it's called. Okay, without wasting much time, let's jump straight into it. So to make my eyebrows, what I use, I have this small spoolie. I have to go and buy a spoolie, I know, but for now this is what I have, and this is what we're going to be working with, because yeah, we are real, we use what we have. So this is what I have. So what I do is that I brush my eyebrows upwards, and for today's eyebrow look, we're going to use this David's eyebrow pencil. I got this one from a Chinese shop, so I outlined the parameters of my eyebrows. And note that I hold this at the end so that the strokes become very soft, and I just come out just a bit at the front. I do the same thing for the top part. Like that, and then I hold the pencil vertically, and then I start making small strokes from the front, and then I go back to the slightly horizontal angle and I fill in the blank spaces. And softer strokes, please. All right, so the lighter the hand, the better. And then I take my spoolie and I blend what I just did. Excuse me. I blend, because we don't want to have any harsh lines. And after blending, everything is blended as far as I see it. If there are any spaces that still need to be filled, I go back and I fill them in lightly. And then I grab my spoolie and reblend everything like that. And having done that, I then take my flat concealer brush. I normally go for a concealer brush that has that domed shape at the top, that curvature, because it helps me to go into all the corners of my eyebrows. And then I start cleaning up my brows. I hope you're observing that I do it in stages. I don't just go one cleanup motion. I don't do one cleanup motion. I do it step by step. All right, and then I just drag the concealer over here, and then roughly work getting to the end. And then this is the concealer I was using, which is LA Girl Pro, and today I am using the color Fawn. So then for the top part, what I normally do is that I blend my foundation with the concealer. So this is what I'm doing right now over here. This is the foundation and the concealer. I am mixing the two because I love my brows to pop. So I add a bit of the highlighter concealer even on the top, at the top rather. Is it on the top or at the top? English. So yes, we are still taking our time to make sure that everything is nice and a bit straight. So yeah, there we go. So my eyebrows are hardly the same. All right, so with that done, I then take my brush and then I start blending. Over here, blend, 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 and I do the same thing for the top part. For the bottom part, I blend downwards. Because I don't want to spoil the defining curve over the end. At the top, I brush to the sides and upwards like that. And then now that I'm here, I take my spoolie and I reblend once more, and then I come to the front part of my eyebrows. I blend towards the inside like that. So now that I've done that, I normally set my eyebrows. Something that's looking a bit offish when I look at the camera, so let me fix that. All right, so I then take my powder. So for today, the powder that I'm using is the Candid from Revlon. I use that one to set my eyebrows because I have got very oily skin. My T-zone is quite oily. I set my eyebrows just to control the oil. Basically, that's it. Let me finish off the rest of my face and then I come back to you guys to show you the final step that I do to finish off my eyebrows. All right, so now we will use the brow gel and we'll go over the eyebrows to remove the cakey look that the powder placed on the eyebrows. Softly like that. And then I take my spoolie and I give the top part some shape. Yes, so this is it. So oh my goodness, guys, I am outside because I had to finish off the video from outside because electricity decided to do what it decided to do, yet I have somewhere to go to. So that's why I'm finishing this video from outside. So this is the final look for my eyebrows. I hope you like it. If you liked it, please make sure that you subscribe, you comment, and you share the video. I'd really appreciate that. And with that said, you know how we do it around here. Blessings and blessings and more blessings. Bye.